Hi everyone, I'm going to be doing this unboxing a little bit different than normal. Unfortunately, I'm not feeling very well and yeah, I've just been away to Italy. I've come back and I've got a stinking cold and a really sore nose. Long story. So I thought I want to post this video up for you. So it's going to be this way, unfortunately, but yeah, hopefully not for too much longer. So this is Glossybox. This is the November box, and this is the Winter Warmers edition. Now, Glossybox costs £10 a month and £3.25 shipping. This is the UK box. They offer 3, 6 and 12-month subscriptions as well, and at a reduced cost as well. So all details and everything, and if I've missed anything out, because this is going to be a bit of a shorter video than normal, then I'll pop it down in the description. But the sneak peek for December, if you were to take out a box for December, is a, what have we got here? This is a, what is it? I can't read it. What is it? I don't know. It's a glow. It's something glowing. Is it by Steve Laurent? It looks like a highlighter of some sorts. I'm not too sure. Hopefully you can see better than what I can. So normally in my videos, as I go through each item, I refer to this little card. So for information, I'll just show you and I'll just tell you the price of it here. But if I can get any extra information online, I will let you know down in the description. So underneath this video, see show more, click that and it'll all be down there. And so basically our Winter Warmers edit is filled with enriching lotions, nourishing hair care, shimmery cosmetics and an extra treat that will seriously warm things up this November. So let's open this up. I haven't had a look yet, so it is a bit of a surprise. Ooh, what have we got here? Is this a spray? Yeah, so I'll get this out first. Oh, the smells coming from here are lovely. I'll show you what we got. So put it to the side. So this is our sneak peek from last month, and it's a Candy Cosmetics, and it's a pre-glow up face mist. And oh, I love these things, absolutely love them. And am I going to be able to open it? Hold on. So this is 120 mils. That is gorgeous. It reminds me very much of the MAC, the gold lit setting spray. Oh wow, wow, wow. Oh, I can't wait to use that, see if it is very similar. I'd like a glowy setting spray like this, or a facial mist like this, but not if it's too full-on glowy. But yeah, and I'm really excited to try this. I don't think I've tried anything by Candy Cosmetics before. So let's see how much it cost here. So this is obviously a full-size item, and it'll cost you £20. And it's a primer and a setting spray, so that's the first item. Next we've got, what have we got here? We've got it's a coconut oil by Hask, and this is a Nourish and Shine oil, and it's to moisturises and revitalise, and we've got 18 mils here. Now we've had a few products by this brand before. We've had usually in little sachets a conditioning mask, so no, it's a bit different. So what's it say about it here? You'll receive one of 3. Where is it? You'll receive one of 3 in the box, and they cost £2.49 each. So yes, so that's there. Then we've got an item by Mud Masky, and this is a Leave Me On winter mask. It's protecting, moisturising, ultra repairing, nourishing and anti-aging, and we got 40 mils here. So it's a face mask. Let me have a look. Ooh, get information here. I'm not used to doing videos this way. Oh my word. So this is a full-size item, and the recommended retail price, whoa, £43.50. Oh my gosh. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, so it just says it's a lightweight hydrator and moisturising mask. Yeah, and it just says apply a thin layer onto your face after cleansing, and you'll have healthy, moisturised skin despite the cold. Oh, so there's that. There's that. What else we got here? Oh, it's a Rituals product. This is Ritual of Ayurveda, if I've said that right, and it's this hand balm. Oh, I can't try it out for you. Let's see if I can have a sniff. Does it come out there? Ooh, yeah, I can have a sniff. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, I can't smell much. Oh, it's typical, isn't it? Typical, having a flipping cold. I love this brand, absolutely love it. And it's a soothing hand balm. I have had other products in this range as well. I think shower gels I've had, which is lovely. So how much we got there? We have got, is it 70 mils there? So it's a hand balm. So does it say here? All right, this is a full-size item as well, and it'll cost you £9.90. There it is. Then we've got a Cetaphil, and this is a gentle skin cleanser, and we've got a 29 mils here. And I've tried this before in some subscription box, I think. Do you remember, any of you remember the old powdered beauty boxes that stopped about a year or so ago? I'm sure I got one in one of those, but I can't remember much about it. But it's what is it here? We've got a deluxe mini, and it's worth £1.10. To buy the full size, it will cost you £8.99 for 236 mils. So yeah, it's a gentle skin cleanser. So there's that. Then those are our 5 products over there. So those are our 5, and I'm assuming these are our freebies. I might be wrong. I don't know. Are they tea bags? I think they are. Brighten Up Forest Fruits and Ginger. It's by Off Black. Yeah, fruit tea. And we've got a black tea here. Your golden, spicy orange and ginger. Unfortunately, I'm not that fussed on ginger. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. But yeah, in teas and things, I'm not that keen, unfortunately. So what's it say about it here? These are extra treats, so everyone will be getting these as their extra treats. So yeah, so if you were to buy them, what would they be? They're worth 84p each, I think. Full size, recommended retail price £9.98. Oh my gosh, okay. Yeah, so it just says, for just put in a cup and boil as you normally do with a what is that? My dog Maisie came in before I started filming, and she's a right mucky dog, golden retriever. I said, don't stand on here. Anyway, back to the boxes. We got 2 herbal teas. So in this month's glossy box, we've got 2 herbal teas, which are added extras, the freebies. We've got a Rituals, a soothing hand balm. We've got a Candy Cosmetics, and it's a Prep Glow Up Mist, setting mist and primer. Then we've got this Mud Masky Leave Me On Winter Mask. We've got a Husk Nourishing Shine Hair Oil. And then lastly then we've got a Cetaphil, and this is a gentle skin cleanser. I think all in all, for £10 a box, I think it is brilliant. Really good. These 2 are the most exciting items for me. I just love this brand. And yeah, this just reminds me of my MAC one. So I can't wait to try it. But yeah, that sounds quite nice as well. Haven't tried it. Tried a few from the brand, but not this one. But yeah, and those as well. Handy, nice oils. So yeah, not a bad box at all. Not a bad box at all, but I've got a feeling I'll be passing them on. I probably won't use them because it's got ginger in them. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's glossy box? Do you think it's good value for money, or do you think, nah, it's not a box for you? All your thoughts and opinions, as always, I'd love to know. So thanks for watching. Apologies for the way I've done this video and you're not actually seeing me. But honestly, you don't want to see me. You just don't want to see me. So yeah, hopefully next couple of videos it'll be back to normal. So take care, everyone. Bye. Ta-da.